Ceylon tea is recognized globally as a benchmark for quality and flavor, symbolizing excellence in the world of black tea. The unique terroir of Sri Lanka, combined with expert craftsmanship in both Orthodox and CTC processing, ensures that Ceylon tea remains a preferred choice for discerning tea lovers around the world. This significant bias toward Orthodox tea production underscores Sri Lanka's reputation for producing premium quality, whole-leaf teas that cater to global markets where nuanced flavors and traditional processes are highly valued. Tea leaves are carefully hand-plucked or harvested using selective methods to ensure only the finest, mature leaves, usually 2 leaves and a bud, are collected. Freshly plucked leaves are spread out in thin layers on withering troughs. Warm air is circulated to remove moisture, making the leaves pliable for the rolling process. This step can take 12 to 18 hours. The moisture content is typically reduced from about 70 to 80% in fresh tea leaves to around 55 to 65% during the withering stage. The withered leaves are rolled gently, using traditional rollers that mimic hand rolling. This step helps break the leaf cells, releasing essential oils and allowing oxidation to start. Rolling also shapes the leaves into long, twisted forms. After rolling, the tea leaves are gently broken apart to separate clumped leaves and ensure even oxidation. This step prevents the rolled leaves from sticking together and promotes consistent oxidation throughout the batch. Roll breaking can be repeated between rolling cycles to ensure the best quality and even distribution of leaf sizes for oxidation. The rolled leaves are spread out in a cool, humid environment for oxidation, also called fermentation. The oxidation process lasts from 1 to 3 hours, depending on the desired flavor profile, and gives the leaves their characteristic dark color and robust flavor. Experienced staff at the factory know when to halt the process through monitoring of the temperature and a keen eye and nose. The oxidation process involves enzymes reacting with oxygen. The temperature range is typically maintained between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Continuous monitoring is essential to prevent overheating, which can lead to bitter and undesirable flavors. Lower temperatures often result in a slower fermentation, allowing for more nuanced flavor development. The oxidized leaves are then moved to a drying chamber, where hot air is passed over them. This halts oxidation and reduces moisture content to about 2 to 3%, ensuring the tea's preservation. Dried leaves are sorted and graded according to size and appearance, using sieves and mechanical sorters. Orthodox teas produce a variety of grades, such as whole leaf, broken leaf, and fannings. Each grade has unique flavor characteristics. For very high-quality tea, the manufactured leaf is sent through a machine called the color separator. This machine uses advanced optical sensors and cameras to detect and sort tea leaves based on color, size, shape, and surface characteristics. It also helps in moving impurities such as dust, twigs, discolored leaves, and other foreign material. Orthodox teas are known for their complex and nuanced flavor profiles, often featuring floral, fruity, or malty notes. The traditional processing preserves the leaf's natural structure, which contributes to a richer and more layered taste experience. These teas are typically enjoyed without milk and are valued for their high quality and diverse range. Ceylon tea, celebrated worldwide for its distinctive taste and quality, benefits from both the Orthodox and CTC processing methods. The diverse terrain and climate of Sri Lanka allow for the production of teas that vary in flavor and strength. The Orthodox process produces premium, high-quality Ceylon teas, known for their intricate flavors, while the CTC method caters to those seeking a robust, quick brewing cup. Both techniques contribute to Sri Lanka's reputation as a premier tea producer, satisfying a wide range of tea enthusiasts globally.